Juicy steak, caramelized, sweet onions, and a sauce you'll want to put on everything. This is the ultimate steak sandwich. We're going to start off by making the sauce. It's mayonnaise, some mustard, tomato sauce, smoked paprika, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and black pepper. Quantities you can scale up if you want to make more. It probably makes sense to do that and pop it in the fridge. Then for your onion, we're going to cook it on a low heat for a long time. You want to give it about 10 minutes and then add in your balsamic vinegar, salt, and sugar, and just give it about 2 to 3 minutes more until they really start turning brown and syrupy and just smelling delicious. Low and slow is the key here. For the steak, make sure to dab it first and then season it with salt and pepper. Get some oil in the pan on a nice high heat. Now, I would normally use a rump or a sirloin, but when I did this order from the supermarket, they sent me this sort of medallion steak as a substitution, so not ideal, not what I would normally use, and it hasn't been aged as long. You can see it's quite light in colour rather than darker in colour if you'd had a more seasoned steak. So use what you prefer. Cook that until it's ready, and then you want to toast your sourdough roll in the same pan. Make sure you've let the steak rest. Again, how long you cook it for depends on how you like it, medium rare, well done, whatever, and then just slice that up, and then we're going to make the sandwich.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Fairly straightforward here. Put the mayonnaise dressing on first, then I like to put some rocket, and then we're going to put on that steak and try not and eat it as you go through, and then just top it with some of the onions. Super easy, absolutely delicious, and a real lunchtime treat. As always, if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it in my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below.